Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Persol model PO3215S in color code 95/31. It's a black color frame. On the temples here we have a silver detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple, and the temple tip it has a silver Persol writing engraved, as well as a silver detailing over here. The lenses are a green color, and in the top right lens we have a Persol logo engraved into the lens. The style of the frame is fashion square. Up here we have a Persol gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and your manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.